Hello everyone and welcome to WowSilao. Happy Holi in advance guys. होली आ रही है एंड हम इंडियंस की होली कितनी धूमधाम से मनाई जाती है ये तो आप सब जानते ही हैं। बट कई बार हमारी होली की मस्ती की कीमत हमारे बालों को डैमेज होकर चुकानी पड़ती है। बट नॉट दिस टाइम. Today I am here with a review of Vedix customized hair fall control regimen. This combo consists of anti-hair fall oil, anti-hair fall shampoo and Whiten Pro hair growth serum. Let's first talk about the shampoo. It gently cleanses scalp and hair while maintaining the pH balance of the scalp. It retains natural oils and moisture in the hair. Next is anti-hair fall oil. It is basically made up of berberries and banyan. It effectively reduces hair fall due to split ends and hair breakage. It promotes hair growth and condition hair follicles. Next is Whiten Pro Hair Serum. It promotes hair growth, nourishes hair strands and adds a shine. It regulates scalp infection and buildups. This whole combo is safe and effective hair care regimen with natural ingredients. तो अब अगर अपने बालों को होली से प्रोटेक्ट करना है तो go and buy this combo. The link is given in the description box. Thank you.